back to another video. As you can see, we are in our bathroom. Well, much less of a bathroom by every day, since we're taking it so much apart. But now we're going to be adding something back, which is, well, for now not the ceiling, but the beams, which actually were never here because this was a smokery. So we're adding a new thing for this room, which is beams going across. One beam in the middle, one at the end, and one that is here. We're going to use this one. I was planning to add one, but then I saw that I could just reveal this one, and it's gonna just go kind of like a 3D effect. The wall just gets like to the beam kind of, so it's gonna kind of look good. And then we're also gonna add two beams in the middle. So I already have found exactly two beams. They're exactly copy paste, so they're gonna look really nice and matching. So we need to make it a bitty going in because they're gonna go over. If you put them on top of the wall, they're gonna go way too high, so we need to set them into the walls a bit. So it's gonna look really nice. So let's get started, mark it out, cut out the gap, and bring the beams and set them in. Probably gonna also give them a quick like kind of wire brush, so whenever they're painted they look a bit more nicer. But they're gonna look pretty authentic and kind of close to the edge of that, but not really. But that's gonna look really nice as well. We need to cement all the bottom of that as well. So let's get started, cut the holes in the walls and get the beams. And this gets cut out, okay? That's perfect. Like a little door. So we have made the place where the beams will go to 4 places for 2 beams, and the last one we don't have to do because that's the beam that we're going to use, the big one. So that saves us quite a bit of work, and also we have only 2 of these nice beams. We would have to have a different beam and it kind of would look a bit different. The rest I think are a bit skinnier, the beams, or really much bigger, so I think it's going to look really nice. Of course that big beam is going to be a lot different, but it is kind of the wall main beam, and these are kind of, well, not really beauty, but they're also going to be quite structural for this ceiling. And also in the future when we're putting a floor on, it's going to be a nice floor, like a support on the bottom. We will do a full floor framing on the very top, so it's going to be actually completely different framing that the floor goes on. So we don't have to worry about so much about strength because it's going to be all on the walls as well. But it's going to be important to have big beams as well to rest the framing on as well. So let's go get the beams. We got to clean them and put them in, and then it should be done because the day is coming out to an end as well. And yeah, I'm kind of tired. All this work, day after day, is getting me tired. So let's get these 2 beams. So this is the beam we're gonna use. Still has a lot of life left, I think. Should be no problem.
Oh yeah, definitely. To hold up the ceiling, that's like perfect.
No problem at all. Like nothing. Just joking. This is the beam we're gonna use. Pure solid beam. This is actually the roof beams from this barn. Well, when it was 25 meters long, whoever took it down left us some few pieces, so at least we get to use them. This one is really heavy. You can just tell by the weight that this is a nice solid beam. The size of this beam, as you can see, is a lot bigger than the standard we're putting in the houses now, so I think it should be no problem. Let's clean it up and get it in.
And after all that work, it still has power to travel around.
Yeah. Let's clean up now.
They look.
They're really high up. Wow.
They look gorgeous.
Why is it so high up? Is the floor lower here or what?
Yeah, I think we never did a floor really.
Ah, no. There's no insulation. But no, it's flat with the outside.
It's flat with the outside, so.
I don't know. It's just like, yeah, I can't reach the beam without tiptoeing. In most of the places I can reach the ceiling almost. Huh.
Beautiful. Okay, let's now make it again a bathroom and not a brick.
Workout.
Cause I need.
Ah, yeah, we need to clean up. That's what you mean.
I need to pee.
Ah, in half an hour.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Now comes the boring part that no one ever likes doing. The cleanup. So it's the next day. We forgot to end this video because we were so late. We went to shower and went pretty much straight to bed. So in the next video we are gonna get on with all the cement work. We're gonna do a full layer of bricks all around to kind of extend it a bit higher because this much lower, the wall is lower by one brick than the rest of the house. So we're just gonna lift it up a bit so we can do the ceiling quite nice and high to have more of the beam exposed. It is pretty high ceiling already in theory, much more than most of the house. I don't know how that works out. I guess our floor level is a lot different throughout the house. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we're gonna see you next time whenever we get on with the next job. It's a lot more left to do, and well, for now it's hot, but it's getting colder, so we need to get it prepared and sealed before the winter comes and snow starts to snow.